Hello, I'm Adiba Burua and I'm an student of Canadian International School, and I also completed my SET and IELTS from PI International. As I was looking for universities or colleges in Canada or USA, so I came to PI one day and they suggested me Seneca College. Seneca is a good college for in Canada. So I did my research and I decided that I'll apply on Seneca. So I came to PIAM. They helped me processing my files and also they processed my visa. During COVID, the processing was very tough, and the process was also very slow. But PI was helping me throughout the process, and also I got my visa recently and I'll be traveling to Canada for completing my higher studies. So I recommend everyone who are willing to study in abroad. They have very good counselors who will guide you throughout the process. So I recommend everyone who are willing to study abroad like USA, Canada, Malaysia, UK and other countries can approach PI. They have very good consultants.